In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an announcement on Microsoft Teams community. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing is to log into your Teams account and then head over to communities. Here, you will see your current communities that you have. Currently, I have this one, editors community. And just below my profile icon here, you can see we have an option for announcement. To make an announcement, just tap on it and then you can now type the headline. For instance, film project for my community, and then add a subheading if you wish, maybe editing, and then type the message. And once you're done, now you can post your announcement by typing on post. And as you can see here, film project announcement has been sent. With this sent, now all the community members will be able to see and read this announcement as well as make reactions on it. So that's how you can make announcements on a community in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.